Hi, I'm Kelly Hensel. More than ever before, consumers want to know exactly what is in their food. They want to recognize the ingredients listed on the label and prefer natural foods with no additives or preservatives. This desire for a clean label has posed many formulation challenges for food manufacturers. Let's see how two companies are helping manufacturers meet this challenge through their ingredient solutions on display at the 2014 IFT Food Expo.
Hi, I'm Bob Hansen. I'm the Manager of Technical Services at Briess, Malt and Ingredients. We chose to focus on clean label ingredients at this expo for two reasons. One is because it's what people really want, and not only consumers, but also because food manufacturers want to make products for consumers, food manufacturers as well. So it really resonates with what people want. Second, it's what our company does. We're an all-natural company, employ all-natural processes. And so all our ingredients are very easy to understand, but yet they have function, flavor, and nutrition that make them beneficial. Well, today's prototype, it's a taste test, and basically it's meant to show that our ingredients are easy to formulate. That's one of the challenges sometimes with clean labels, is people feel that they're hard to formulate, but it's not the truth. So today's application that we're showing is a gooey oat tart. The tart is made in two different ways. One is made with our all-natural tapioca syrup. The other tart is made with a replacement, which is corn syrup. Because consumers have some pushback against corn syrup, we chose this application to showcase our ingredient, which is less processed and more natural. Tapioca syrup is best suited to any application that needs a starch-based syrup with functionality. So things like bars, gummy bears, beverages that need a certain amount of viscosity, something that needs a starch-based functionality, but in an all-natural, non-GMO way. Well, clean label is a trend, but it's a macro trend that's been around for a while. And I believe that macro trend will continue. People really want to understand what's on the label, and they want to feel safe and good about eating the foods that they eat. So there may be various micro trends within that macro trend, whether it's going to be fat-free or less processed, organic, all-natural, but I believe the clean label trend will continue for many years to come.
I'm Marco Villone. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for Ingredion North America. This year at IFT we decided to focus on consumer trends, and this is really our messaging. And the station in particular, which is about clean label, is called Authenticity, in response of consumer research for a simple, cleaner ingredients that they can recognize. In the Authenticity station, we are presenting two prototypes that feature our ingredients. First of all, we have a traditional Louisiana recipe. It's actually a corn mock choux, so it's a side dish out of corn, where we are using our Homecraft Gold ingredient. Homecraft Gold is a very interesting ingredient because it allows a very traditional home-style flour appearance and texture, but it has at the same time the process and shelf life stability that you need for processing. Another prototype that we feature at the Authenticity is about gluten-free biscuits. In this case, what we are using is Homecraft Create GF10 and 20. They are gluten-free flours, and they allow this texture, the premium texture and shelf life that you would expect with a gluten-free, and that's always a challenge that our customers have. We have a range of 40 and even more ingredients that can be used in clean label. It's really about tailoring after the request of our customers what ingredients is best and adapting the use of our ingredient. We have seen this trend evolving in the last couple of decades, starting maybe from Europe, and then in the United States is picking up much interest in the consumer. It's our challenge in terms of food industry, and in our case, food ingredient manufacturers, is to provide those ingredients to reply on those trends, but at the same time to ensure that they can be used in the food manufacturing, so withstand the process and shelf life requirements that these ingredients have.